What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to remove a door panel on a Chevrolet Cruze. Now the same applies to every year model from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Alright, check this out. Step number one, remove this plastic piece. It's going to be held in by 3 clips, so you may have to get a prying tool and pry this out. Alright, there you go, just like that. There's one right here, and there's going to be another one right here, so it's 2. All right, once that's exposed, we're gonna go ahead and remove this tab right here and this one right here. Okay, now I'm using one of these little tools. You can get in here and pop it out just like that. That's number one. I'm gonna try and get in here and get it. Oh, I got it right there. All right. And for this next thing, you're gonna need a T20, Torx 20, Torx bit, which looks like a little star, Torx bit 20. And we're gonna go ahead and take these 2 bolts off. Number 1 right here, and then number 2 right here. All right, there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some YouTube magic and fast forward for you, okay? Once you have removed both screws, you are free to slide your hand in or any trim removal tool and start going around releasing the tabs. Okay, you may have 1, 2, 3 right here. You can have somebody hold it or use your foot. There you go. Now the next step is we're gonna go ahead and pull out like this and pull it up to get it off. You can use both hands. There we go. And it's gonna be it's going to be held in place by this thing right here. This is your door handle. All right, in order for us to release it, we're going to move this tab, release this tab like this. I'm sorry, I'm going to use my other hand. We're going to release this tab, pull back, and move the wire out just like that. Lift up, and then we're going to get the what's it called, the clips for the window regulator and everything. So you're gonna press in and pull down. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a little red tab that you gotta remove. Remove that little tab or push it down, and then like any other normal clip, there you go. You're gonna push down on that tab right there and then pull out. This same thing, lift up, pull down, and pull it out, huh? There you go. Pull it out just like that. Be careful not to break it, guys. I guess apparently somebody had broke it before. But that's how you remove the door panel on a Chevrolet Cruze 2011 all the way to 2016. Now the installation is in reverse procedure, so I don't think I need to record that. For time's sake, I'm gonna leave it just like this, guys. Hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.